Today, we're diving into the Bowflex SelectTech 552 adjustable dumbbells, a game changer for your home workout routine. These innovative dumbbells offer a wider weight range, adjusting from 5 to 52.5 pounds in 2.5 pound increments up to 25 pounds, all with the simple turn of a dial. Say goodbye to cluttered workout spaces filled with 15 different sets of dumbbells, as these space-efficient dumbbells provide everything you need in one compact design. With the Bowflex ST552, you can seamlessly transition between heavy exercises like shrugs and lunges to lighter ones such as curls and raises. Plus, enjoy a 2-month free trial of the JRNY All Access membership, offering strength training and bodyweight workouts accessible from your phone or tablet. Whether you're at home or on the go, these dumbbells ensure total body results with unmatched convenience. So, get ready to elevate your fitness game with the Bowflex SelectTech 552 adjustable dumbbells. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.